Welcome to Radio KD8TTE. Today is just going to be a quick recap of the past few days' activity and a preview of what's to come over the next few. Last week I was able to present to the Radio Amateur Training Planning and Activities Committee, the RATPAC, on the topic of the Black Swan communication exercise. We were able to present how the exercise came to be about, how it evolved over the years, and how we have been able to use performance to focus our training activity and to make sure that we were doing things that would be relevant to improving our overall capability and viability as an emergency communications service. If you missed that presentation, you can still check it out. It is online as a video. I'll have a link to it below, and I hope you do check it out and offer comments. I'm very interested to hear what your thoughts are. Coming up later this week is the ARRL National Convention. If you're there, please visit. On Thursday, the 10th of February, is when it will be held, and I'm going to be in the Emergency Communications Training track. That's going to be led by Rick Palm, K1CE. Our lead instructor is Gordon Gibby, KX4Z, and a bunch of us are going to be contributing various pieces to make sure that everybody gets a valuable training experience that day. The goals that we have are going to be to help students to learn the skills and roles needed to be an asset, not a liability, in responding to an emergency or to a disaster situation. We're going to help students not only to develop skills, but to track them using task books that are available from the ARRL, from DHS, in the OXCOM program, and also some that are being used in Florida. We're going to get to meet the ARRL's new Director of Emergency Management, Josh Johnson. The sessions that we have are going to be an overview of amateur radio response to disasters, the mechanics of radio message relay, and then we're going to do some hands-on work. We're going to be having all of the participants organized so that they are working for fictional agencies that we have there represented. Those operators are going to be getting ICS 213 general message forms the way that they might if they are operating in a scenario that is being managed with the incident command system. Radio operators are going to need to relay those messages and to do so in a way that ensures that we have accuracy and quality of service that the agency needs provided. We're going to get that done by having the operators take that ICS 213, format it into the ARRL radiogram, be able to relay that, and then the receiving station is going to take the message, turn it back into an ICS 213 so that the receiving party is able to see a 213 the way they would expect and not even have to worry about the mechanism by which the message got to them. Afterward, we're going to have the ARRL ARES Forum, what ARES is and how to join. And it's going to be an open forum opportunity for some discussion. The presentation on OXCOM, integrating amateur emergency service groups together, then a discussion and demonstration of WinLink emergency communication tools. We'll move on to emergency antennas. We're going to do some really interesting and maybe scary things if you're not used to doing fun stuff with wires to make antennas. We're going to show how you can make antennas that are field expedient, NVIS propagation, how you can use it, and be able to comply with RF exposure requirements from FCC. We'll round out the track with the discussion of emergency power, which is going to be a lot of fun, I'm sure. So come and see us on Thursday, the 10th of February, in the Emergency Communications track at the ARRL National Convention 2022 in Orlando. I look forward to seeing you there. This is Radio KD8TTE, out.